So I just finished up at America's Tire.
And the new are looking good. Check out that tread depth. That was much better than what I had previously, obviously, because they were new. So these are brand new Michelin Defender 2s on my Tesla Model 3. It's a 2023 Model 3 rear-wheel drive. They look super good. Thank you, America's Tire. So let's go over my experience with America's Tire, why I would definitely go to them again, and of course, what you probably want to know about pricing. I got great service, but these were not cheap, but they were the cheapest option. So let's see what you get for the less expensive tires that you can put on your Tesla. So first, the experience. It took under an hour. Everyone was super polite, super kind. This is the third America's Tire I went to. I just went like this, but I meant third. Everyone is just super chill. They just want to take your car and move on to the next one. Everyone I've gone to, I've always gotten someone different, and I've gone to multiple times. I always have a ton of questions because I'm a curious fella, and they answer them, no problem. Oh, just by the way, whenever you get new tires or rotation, make sure you go to service and reset your last tire mileage, just FYI. And then make sure your PSI is looking good. Now, the price. So the price was pretty expensive, but not as expensive as, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a Model Y in there. The lady, the owner of the Model Y, hit a pothole, damaged her rim, and blew out her tire. That was even more expensive. So don't do that. Get a tire warranty. Yeah, I didn't think I would be saying get a tire warranty, but I have a tire warranty. So the total price for my Tesla Model 3 18-inch Defender 2s from Michelin with a discount. Because yes, I got all four at a discount. You're able to do that if you wear them low enough and you don't reach the rated mileage. The total amount was this much, $1,044. This includes the tires, of course, the labor to put them on, unlimited lifetime rotation, rebalances, and alignment check. They give you a whole pamphlet. Did I say tire warranty? Yeah, like I said, I didn't think I would be getting a tire warranty, but if you're already spending this much on the tires, it's not that much extra just to get the tire warranty. And you might as well, because if you do get some road hazard in your tire, they'll just replace it free. No questions asked. You get a free new tire. And I already got mine discounted, so I was like, what the heck? Let me know in the comments below if you have ever needed to use a tire warranty by like America's Tire or some other manufacturer. So now you know my experience, the price. Let's see how these new Defender 2s drive. Also, just for reference, I have exactly 34,770 miles on the odometer. At 40,000 miles, I'm going to want to rotate my tires. Let's see how these ride. So in the parking lot, there's no noticeable difference. Just driving around through here, they feel legit. They feel fine. I wonder if that's because they have like the most amount of tread on them right now, and so they're super cushiony. I'm not sure if it gets worse as we drive, because keep in mind, this was like the best price per dollar. This is the cheaper tire that you can put on your Model 3 or your Tesla. This is like the cheapest version. You do the math from how much I said originally, the price divided by 4, and that's how much it is per tire. And again, that was the cheapest that I'm going for because it's cheap. What the heck? Why not? Going over speed bumps, I feel totally fine. And so far, like in the parking lot, these do not ride that harsh. Take a turn, it takes the turn nice. All right, so we've turned onto the main road now. These feel totally fine. I have no issue. I can't really feel the difference between my old ones versus these ones. And also, this is not sponsored by Michelin or America's Tire, just so you know. I paid out of my own pocket for this. So if you guys want to help me in any way, I'll have Patreon in the description below, or Venmo, or PayPal, whatever. You don't have to, but you totally can. I won't say no. But let's go back to what's important, the ride. These don't feel any different from the stock ones. I think I do hear a little bit more road noise, but so far the ride is not bad at all. I am straight chilling. Now these roads are not horrible, so I don't know if the experience drastically decreases as you go on rough roads, but driving around town, yeah, I absolutely have no issue. Just went over another speed bump. I think it is louder. Okay, let's try to listen. Definitely stops more firm because they're new. Okay, well now let's try to listen. Okay, now I'm on rougher roads. It's definitely shaking the cabin, but I don't mind it. It's not horrible. You definitely feel the road that you're going over though, that's for sure. It's definitely not unusable though. I just went over a little sewer grate and definitely felt the whole car go in. But I really don't know, because the Model 3 suspension before the new 2024 update has been, it's okay, right? So I don't know if this is more a fault of the suspension than the tires. Anyways though, I really don't mind it. If you want to save this option to save some money, I think it's totally fine, because your car is not like banging around everywhere. Stop smoothly, accelerate smooth. Yeah, the grip is pretty good. So let's go onto this main road. And on the main road, I want to be cautious to say this, but I guess you can feel a little bit more wind resistance. I don't know. I don't think these are that bad. I think for the price, these are totally fine. Like, as of now, I would absolutely buy these again. What we do need to test is on the freeway, but we'll do that after we get an alignment. And I know America's Tire does alignment, but the only people I trust to do my Tesla alignment is EVs Republic. And that's exactly where we are right now. See all the Teslas back here? Oh my gosh. But yeah, seriously guys, at lower speeds, driving around the city and everything, these tires are smooth. So for city driving and everything, not a problem. I would totally recommend these at the price point. This, as far as I'm aware of, is the best value for your Tesla, and I'm all for it. So I'm gonna get my car checked out. If you wanna see all the EVs Republic videos, make sure you stay subscribed, check out EVs Republic, and check out the channel. This will be a while for me, 1 second for you. Let's go see how this thing is on the freeway. All right guys, so I'm just leaving EVs Republic right now. You can see all the Teslas back there. Look at this burnt one. It is my favorite. This thing looks sick. Anyways, they took care of me super nicely. I really needed an alignment bad. If you wanna check out that video, it'll be on the channel, so subscribe for that. I just wanted to show you my appreciation, and I wanted to show them my appreciation because they really took care of me. So now we're back on the city streets, and we're gonna see the ride quality of these. On the city streets, I'm going about 45 miles per hour. It feels pretty much the same as the OEM tires that I had. I have the air condition on max right now, and if I had my music playing, I don't think I'd really hear much of any road noise. And for me, the bumps and everything, it's not a big deal. If you are more sensitive to bumps, first off, the Model 3 suspension is not what you should be getting, but from the stock, with the stock tires, I would totally get these. And remember, Michelin is not telling me to do this. There's no tire company or suspension company. I have the stock suspension, by the way. This is literally my thoughts, my money. I bought these tires. No one bought them for me. If I hated them, I would hate them. As a matter of fact, with America's Tire, they said that I think in 30 days, I could return the tires if I wanted to. So that has always been an option, but these ride fine. We have 1 mile till the freeway. So we're on the freeway. We've been on the freeway. I actually just ate a pizza. I don't know if you can see the crumbs, but oh yeah, we are on the freeway. There's a lot of traffic. I'm not even moving. What is this? But I have some good news. Good news because I love these tires. I don't know if I'm just young, because I am like 24, but I feel absolutely no difference between the tires that came with the Tesla, and if I were to buy those again, new, they would have been so expensive compared to these super cheap ones that you can get 80,000 miles out of. This is a no-brainer. Okay, I would recommend everybody. I got up, my water bottle just got crushed. But I would recommend literally everybody get these tires. Again, no one's paying me to say this. You saw this earlier. I bought it with my own money. These Defender 2s for the Model 3, for the price, and then the amount of miles you can get out of them is just unbeatable. I don't know too much about tire warranties, but remember, I did get the America's Tire certification, so if anything happens to these, they'll replace them for free. And because they're Michelin, if you don't get the full warranty rated range, they will give you a discount. So I got these at a slight discount. They were a little bit more expensive. That guy almost just got in front of me. She's mad at me. But these are Michelin tires. If you don't get the rated amount of range, you can get a discount off your next set, which is awesome. So the conclusion to this, I love these tires. Drove on the freeway, drove around the city streets, drove through neighborhoods. These are totally fine. You can check out my PSI right now. It's high, it's normally 42, but it is super hot right now, so it's kind of normal. I'm excited to do a range test video in these because I'm just driving home right now. It's nothing too exciting, but stay subscribed to see how these do on a range test. They save your money up front, but do they save your money from charger to charger? We'll find that out.